I'm going to show you on this video how I made $82 online by investing in shares. So what you just have to do is to watch this video. So what I want you to do for me on this video is to like this video, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me take you now to my smartphone and show you how I made this money. So as you can see, this is my smartphone and this is the Trading212 app. I have already installed it and I am using it already on my smartphone. What you have to do is to go and install the application on your Google Play Store and register, or you can use the link in the description to access this application, which is called Trading212. So let me open my own app now. So as you can see, this is my Trading212 account and it just opened now. You can see the shares that you can invest your money on. You can see Tesla, Apple, Vanguard, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Google, Meta, Neo, Coca-Cola, Reality, MC, McDonald's, and Starbucks, and a lot of shares that you can invest your money on. Even Netflix, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all of them, they have shares. What you have to do is to look through them and see if it's something that you want to invest your money on. So you can start with just a minimum amount of $1 to $10. So it just depends on what you want to start using. What you have to do is to do research and see the company that you feel like is good, and you can come to this application which is called Trading212 and search for the company and invest on them. Before you invest in any company, like what I'm saying is that you should go do research about the company and see if it's a company that is going to last for long, or is a company that is going to go bankrupt tomorrow. Because if they go bankrupt, you might lose your invested money. So that is one thing that I want you to understand here. So let us say we want to invest in any company. I will show you what I am doing before I invest in any company here. So when we scroll down here, let us say I want to invest in Netflix. All I need to do is to search for Netflix, but you can see now we already have Netflix on the screen here, and I will click on Netflix and it's going to open up. You can see that the price of Netflix is $647.10. And if we scroll down here, scroll down and you need to go and look at the dividend of Netflix. As you can see, Netflix don't have dividend, which for me, I would not like to invest in Netflix because there is no dividend on Netflix. Another thing that I want you to focus on too is the EPS, which is earning per a share. So that is it. Let us say we want to invest in Netflix. We just need to click on buy here and we enter the amount we want to invest, or want to invest one share. One thing that I want you to do when you are investing, make sure you click on market, because you will invest with the market price. So anytime you want to withdraw your money, you will withdraw your money from the market price too. So that is one thing that I want you to look at when you want to do your investment. So I will close this because I don't want to invest in Netflix because they don't have dividend. So let us say, for example, I want to invest in Coca-Cola. I click on Coca-Cola here. It's going to open up. The price of Coca-Cola is $61.98. So if we scroll down here, let us look at the dividend. When we scroll down, you can see that Coca-Cola have a dividend of 3.13%. This is the amount of money you are going to be getting every single month for investing your money on this platform or this company, which is called Coca-Cola. And the EPS is $2.75, which is something that is still good. So that is it. And if we want to invest on it, we just need to click on buy here, and it's just the same process. Enter the amount here, click on review, deposit the money into your account. Once the market of Coca-Cola is open on Trading212, they are going to launch that your share, and you are going to start making money. As long as this company is growing in value, your money will be increasing in value too. So that is one thing that I want you to understand here. And then every month you are going to be getting that 3.13% dividend earning every single month. So that is it. Let us say you have any company in mind that you want to invest your money on. You can just search for it. I can click on this search button icon here. So it's going to bring us here. Let us say I want to invest on this company, which is called Total Energy. All I need to do is to search for Total Energy. You will see it here, Total Energies. I click on that. Sorry, it's not this one. Let me go back. Is this one here, Total Energies, and it's going to open up. You will see that the price of Total Energies is 65 euros and 99 cents. This is a European company, which is Total Energies. Is a European company. That is why you are seeing that it's showing us the price in euros. But if the company is kind of United States company, or is a company that is found in United States, or you find in all these America countries, I think you'll be seeing it in dollars. So that is one thing I want you to pay in mind. So when you are investing in a company that is based in another country, to be showing the currency of that particular country. That is one thing that I want you to understand. So don't find it confusing when you are seeing another currency on this application. So just understand that. One thing I want you to do too is to look at the price. The price is $65.99, which is the price of Total Energy. So when we scroll down here, you will see the EPS, which is $7.77, which is something that is good. The earning per a share, that is what you are getting for investing in this particular company. And the dividend is very, very high, which is 4.58% earning every single month. So the dividend is the amount you get for investing in a particular company. Every single month, you are going to be getting this money into your accounts. So that is one thing that I want you to pay attention to. This is what I'm doing before I invest in any company. You can see that I did not invest in Netflix because Netflix don't have dividend. So that is one thing that I am saying about this way that I have used to invest in all this company. So let us say I am okay with this company, which is Total Energy. What I will do is that I will click on buy, and I will go and invest my money on this particular company, which is called Total Energy. And what I usually do too is to go to the official website of Total Energy and look at the company to know what this company is really doing. So Total Energy is a company that is supplying houses electricity. So that is one thing that I want you to know about this company, which is called Total Energies. So do your own proper research to know the type of company that you want to start investing your money on. Is very, very important. I don't want you to go and put your money in a particular place and lose the money. And the minimum amount you can invest in any company that you want to invest is from $1 to $10. So that is it, guys. So let us say I want to invest in Total Energy. What I just have to do is to click on buy now, and it's going to open up. So I will click on that, and you can see it's in volume, and in volume means that you can enter it by price. And if we say we want to do it by share number, if I click on share here and we click here and I enter one share, it's going to be letting us know that the total price of Total Energy is $66.99 currently right now. So why it's showing red at the bottom here is because we don't have $66 into our Trading212 wallet account. Let us say, for example, we want to invest by pi of a share. All I need to do is to click on the number of share and click on volume. So volume is that we are going to pick the amount of money we want to invest in this company. Let us say, for example, I want to invest 20, let us say 10 euros. I click on 10 euros. You can see everything is okay, and they are telling me now that I can invest this money. All I need to do here now is to click on done, and I will click on review, and it's going to show me that I want to invest in Total Energy. Amount of money I'm paying $10, which is the total price, and they are taking a fee of like 3 cents. So the remaining balance will be $9.97, which means they take 3 cents for a fee for me to just invest my money on this company, which is called Total Energy. I want you to understand here why you should do it is because they are taking a small percentage as a fee when you are investing in any company. There's a lot of company today, they take a lot of money from you for you to just invest in their company. So that is one thing I like about Trading212. All we just need to do now is to click on buy, And once you click on buy here, so the order have just been placed. Once the market of Total Energy is open, they are going to launch that my share, and I'm going to start making a pie of Total Energy interest every single month once they invest that my money on their platform. So that is one thing that I want you to understand here. You can see everything here is good, and you can, when we scroll down here, you can see the order we placed, which is $10 of Total Energy share, and they are letting us know that this order is impending. Why is impending? Like I said, the market of Total Energy is not open, but once it opens, the money is going to be plus. So that is one thing that I want you to understand here. So that is everything I want to talk about. Let me show you now that I have made $82 from my own invested money on Trading212 app. So I'm going to click on this kind of ball icon, click on that. The total amount I invested was 321 euros. The money I earned in return is 82 euros and 88 cents, which is almost like $85 if you calculate it in dollars. So that is one thing that I want to show you here. You can see the companies that I have invested my money on. I'm not hiding anything, I'm just being transparent. You can just look the company that I have invested my money on and go and invest your money on them too. But one thing that I want you to do is to go do your own proper research and see if this company is something that you want to really invest your money on. Is very, very important. So that is everything I want to talk about on this video, guys. So only what I will ask from you right now is to just hit that like button. Like I said from the beginning, leave me a comment, like this video, and share it with your friend. If you have any question, please leave me that in the comment section. I will see you on my next upcoming video, a way on how you can make money online. If you want to make money with affiliate program, you can watch this video where I talk about how you can make $100 online by just promoting affiliate product. I will see you on my next upcoming video.